some lip balms.
So it was actually meant to be my birthday gift, but we didn't open it.
For such a long time.
And we're gonna be sharing the lip balms out with you guys.
So stay tuned to the end, guys. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna open it. These. Okay guys, so we just opened the lip balm set, as you know, and we set everything up. So I'm just gonna go on a tour of like everything that is on here. So first up we have red coloring, of course, to color the lip balm. Yellow coloring, also to color the lip balm. Then we have some scents up next. This is lip shimmer. Next we have sun stopper. I'm guessing we're gonna need this a lot because it blocks the sun from melting it. Next we have baby oil. I guess baby oil smells good. Last but not least, cherry candy. This should be a good one. Next we have some pearls. I don't know what we really need those for, but there's some pearls, yes. And next we have soy ester. It's basically like some petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, basically. Next, we have this beautiful glitter spoon. It is amazing. Look at this. Beautiful glitter spoon. And it's clear. Next we have this tiny scooping spoon. I don't really know what it's for, but I'm guessing it's for putting like the coloring and measuring it and stuff. Talking about measuring, next up we have some measuring cups. This one is a small one, or medium. And this one is a big one, or medium. And next up we have this flat spoon. Okay guys, so I finally got this out, and it's basically like to apply the lip balms once they're done. The brush to apply it, very beautiful also. Next we have the container. It's basically like, I don't know how to open this, but it's a container and it basically have like little squares inside when you can put different types of lip balms, and it is clear and it's beautiful. Next up we have some wax to melt the thing and to add coloring and scents. It's just gonna be really helpful. So guys, that's all we have, and now we're gonna go according to the manual. This is the manual, Lip Balm Factory, beautiful. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on reading while we go along, so stay tuned to the end. Okay guys, so I just brought some gloves. You might be wondering, why did I bring 4 gloves? Well, mom is behind the camera, so she's just supervising us and helping us where needed. So she's basically behind the camera, and you guys can like hear her voice from time to time, and just let you know she's behind the camera. Okay, so put on your gloves, everybody. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna read out some of the information in the manual. As you can see, I'm gonna read out this page. Workbench. Load up the tools, bottles, and dishes into your workbench. Your protective gloves don't have a spot as they will mostly be on your hands. You can do most of the mixing and measuring in the workbench. It keeps everything safe and secure. And there's just like a diagram of what we're meant to do and everything that, like the ingredients and stuff. Basic lip balm. Develop your skills. We are starting with lip balm lip protection. No color, fragrance. Those effects come later. Take the lid off the soy ester jar. Use the big spoon and spatula to scoop one of the level of soy ester. So we're gonna use this spoon because it's a lot prettier. And take the lid off, as it said, and scoop. Now, so instruction number 2. Use the spatula to scrape into the small beaker. This is getting interesting.
Very interesting.
Okay, So I'm done. I put it in there. Instruction number 3. Place the sticky spoon like so over the open jar when you're not using it. That's just a tip, basically. So, sticky spoon over the jar. Okay, instruction number 4. Add a small spoon of wax beads into the beaker, or count about 12 seeds plus 12 drops of baby oil. So we need to count out 12 of these little wax seeds. Okay, so I'm just gonna count 12. That's 5, 4, 6, 8, 9. So there we have 12 wax seeds. Okay guys, so right now I just put these in here because they were a little bit hard to pick. So they said to put it in here. So I'm just gonna put them all in there. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put 12 drops of baby oil in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, so I've been mixing for quite a while. And yeah, so I'm just gonna read the next instruction. Instruction number 6. Put 35 milliliters of cold water in the big beaker. Okay, easy peasy. So let me just go get the water and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just got the 35 milliliters of water. Next instruction. Let's just read. Important. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Do not microwave wax oil mixtures. Please check. Please ask an adult to help you use the microwave and carry the hot water. Okay guys, so we just got the boiling water. We boiled it and yeah, so we just waited for 30 seconds and the 30 seconds are done. So I'm just gonna show when I'm putting it in. It's just gonna like float around it. Yeah, it's just floating. Remove the beaker from the microwave, place it into the heat-proof surface. Float in the small beaker inside the big beaker. Leave it for 2 minutes for melting to start. So the melting is actually starting. I can actually see it. This is what is happening. It's kind of melting. See? Instruction number 9. Carefully lift up the small beaker. Stir until the wax beads have melted. Okay, so carefully lift it out like I'm doing. There. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. It's actually fully like melted now.
Now follow the next step.
Next step quickly before it solidifies.
Guys, you guys should make sure that you have some surface under the thing.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Okay. Number 10. If the beads do not melt, heat the water bath in the big beaker again from step 7.
It's melted.
Choices. You can put this balm on one section of the balmy sample wheel for customizing later. Or like us, put some in the pack on now and some in the wheel.
Yeah. So what it means here, guys, sorry you can't see me, but I'm behind the camera. I'm the mom helping. So what it means, this melted balm, you can pour one in one space here, one fraction here, okay? Now you can just do that now, Cherish, before it gets solidified. Then pour it in, remove your hands, focus, remove the spoon. That's the way. Good. So one section of what we have just done gives you a fraction of this wheel. Okay, so now any color you want this to be, you can now add it there, and any flavor like all these oils here. Now you can make the same for this.
You guys want it to be red or yellow?
Red.
Red. Okay guys, so I just put 5 drops of red because that's what we want and that's how much we have to put. Now I need to stir it. Ready? nearly solidified. Okay guys, so right now we're just gonna make a new type of lip balm. We're making shimmer lip balm, and we'll just have all the ingredients we're gonna need and tools. We're gonna renew the water and everything, but we're gonna do this one off camera because it's just gonna be very long and complicated. And yeah, basically we're gonna do the exact same steps that I did for this one, but I'm just gonna add these different ingredients, and that's the only difference. So yeah, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Guys, someone just joined the video. Can you greet guys?
Tatis.
Hi guys.
She just came back from school, and you have the good news, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us?
I won the basketball match.
She won, her club won the basketball match. Congratulations. And what other good news?
Favorite of third place.
Third place in what?
And the school competition.
In the
Talent
school
show.
talent show, right?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. We keep winning. Is it not?
Yeah.
We move.
Plus, we won 100 euros.
We move. Just wait. I'll invite Favor to this channel to tell us what transpired.
And
Okay?
we're gonna play her song, and you guys are gonna be so amazed.
Alright. So watch out for that video next. Okay? Yeah. So we keep doing.
Okay guys, so now I just made another batch. We're gonna color this one yellow because why not? They already are red. Okay guys, so I basically repeated the exact same steps. I just added it from food coloring and some shimmer. Very beautiful, by the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna like add the second batch to this, and yeah, we're pretty much gonna be done. Need to pour that into here.
I want to pour it.
I know. I'm gonna pour it.
But we're doing the same steps.
You guys are just.
Does it remain?
Yeah. We made extras. Put some there.
This brush is mine, oh.
Okay guys, so right now we're gonna do some more reds so we can fill up all the spaces. And yeah, pretty much that's gonna be all.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I said that's enough. Good girl.
Now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it carefully so you can under water.
Now some you put the red color.
Good one. Take the red color, and I'm gonna pour it in.
Okay, red coloring. We need how much red? Let me just check. Manual.
10.
10. We need 10. Okay.
1.
Oh, that was a juicy one.
2.
Keep dropping.
3.
4. Wait, no, have you done your 4?
This is her 4th. 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay guys, so right now we have just finished doing all the recipes over and over again, and these girls were my little assistants. They were so helpful, so shout out to them. Awesome. And yeah, so basically we have this palette done, little beads just for decoration, and we have the actual like set thing. I don't know what it's called, but like it's not a palette.
That's the cover, right?
Yeah, this is the cover, so like you can preserve them.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically that is gonna be all.
Alright. That's lovely. Good job, guys.
Thanks. Okay guys, so this has been the end of a super meaningful and nice video, and I hope you guys we hope you guys have enjoyed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching and taking your time out of it. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Love y'all.
Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.